Gilana, make sure where's your backpack? Hey, be nice to your sister. Gilana, where's your backpack now? Your glasses.
Jelana just ripped it out of my head. You know what's funny? What's really funny? So I had you wrong. She ripped my hair too. And this what happened. And then I was trying to. No, don't want to get off me. And then I ate it. And I lost a bit.
Hey, Jade.
That wasn't me.
Stop doing that. No, don't. You might accidentally kick me.
That wasn't me. No.
Where's your toy, Gilana? Bring it here.
One thing that I forgot about. I don't have a spoon. I never got the spoon.
Oh, so yesterday you brought your noodles. Isn't your lunch yesterday is the noodles? It's today? I just, yeah, I can sit, yeah.
Stop it, Jelana.
Gilana, go get your backpack now. Juline's backpack is ready. Where's your backpack? What's the name of your bear? Mama bear? That's a cute bear.
No, baby bear.
Oh, baby bear. Oh, be careful on the chopstick, please.
Stop, Jelana. Jelana.
Dad. Dad.
But Dad can't, doesn't know how to use chocolate. Oh, me and Mom can go out for sushi with no kids now.
Gilana, here's your baby now.
Years ago, you were a little kid. Now you're tall as man. Okay. You gotta get up.
Gilana, where's your backpack now?
And then you also gotta do something, can you please?
Wow.
I was being nice. Did you want to eat cough drop?
No, I don't want to eat cough. I want to snake baby.
First day at school. Is that how you do your first day at school, Gilana?
Hey, hon, it was easier than nice old days because when you went to school, like my first day of school, kindergarten, we just walked to elementary. I just walked with my older brothers and they dumped me off at kindergarten. That was it. That's all you do.
But you live in the city. That's different.
Yeah, but even like this, so.
No, no. You live in you live in the city, Han. City is different.
Jelana, stop. You're a furry. Who are your brothers?
That was my oldest, that was Aaron.
Gilana, now she's doing the live now. She's doing hi guys now. the bear is doing hi guys.
Marielle would be in.
She would have been in junior high or high school.
How about the other one? Give me your panda.
10 years difference. So if I was 5, she would have been 15.
Who? Mary Ellen.
So when I was a baby,
Stop.
Mary Ellen and Debbie would fight over who got the rock.
Stop,
and roll, so
Jelana.
Mom would have to set a timer.
Stop. Figure stuff, okay.
Because they were like 10 years old. 10.
Jelana, stop. If I ever have one.
Who gets to hold the baby? So she set a timer.
Oh, Daddy wants to have a baby again.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, Daddy. You're talking about baby.
I go from the youngest dad.
Gilana, tell Daddy. Gilana, tell Daddy.
Oh, okay. So
Tell
you
Daddy.
moved up. So Dad goes from the youngest because I was 37 when Ross was in college.